Project management is an art and science of getting project work done in a given timeline and budget. Project management is required by not only big projects, but small projects can also benefit from effective project management. Knowing how to use and apply the knowledge in three main areas is the key to the accomplishment of any project. Do you know what are those three key areas? If not, then don't worry. Today we would learn about the three key components of project management across any industry. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. Project management requires both theory and practice. It needs mastery of theoretical concepts but also the skills to temper them with practical considerations. It is a hybrid area that combines different disciplines, methods, and ideas. For efficient integration of these knowledge areas, project team need to monitor and control the various flows. You can think of project management as managing three flows: the flow of the people, the flow of the process, and the flow of the tool. Any organization that wants to manage its projects successfully needs to have the right people, the right process, and the right tools. All three together at same time. No matter what methodology you follow for your project, an effective project management has always these three critical components: people, process, and tool. Let's understand the role of these components one by one. First one is people. People are the primary resource on every project, and a well-managed team can greatly increase the chances for success. The typical project management group includes the project manager, project team members, sponsors, stakeholders, business analysts, and information technology developers. The most important component of any project is its human resources. To complete a successful project, a well-skilled and qualified team members with clear-cut roles and responsibilities is must. With good team, project manager can efficiently lead the project and save time, cost, and effort. Second one is process. Project managers and team members should have a methodology and plan that outlines their approach to complete the scope of work. Without a clearly defined objective and procedures, team members will not know what to do and when to carry out project activities. At every project phase, a clearly defined process is the key to the success. It controls how the team will go about completing its scope of work to meet the desired result. Using the right process will increase the project execution success rate. Third is tool. Project management today is completely different from what it was a decade ago. With the introduction of different cloud-based project management tools, project teams are no longer bound by geographical location or tedious departmental regulations. Project management tools centralize all data and allow users to track progress, assign tasks, and give feedback easily. Project management tools and software helps project managers, teams, and individual contributors to complete tasks, organize client requirements, and manage time, budget, and scope constraints very efficiently. It plays a crucial role in project monitoring and controlling. Project management tools are expanding their functions and crossing boundaries with their combination of features for efficient project management. This business application and tools provide benefits, especially if chosen correctly to match an organization's requirements. Any organization that wants to stay ahead of the competition needs to have the right tools. Knowing about the project, people, and process is not sufficient for successful project management. Always remember that project management is vast knowledge art. It is a massive endeavor made up of skills and knowledge areas which complex enough to offer lifetime research. Are you able to manage the PPT of your project? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. And if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people and all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.